garden has been in the ground for several years. We're seeing some nutrient deficiencies in the plants. So it's time to take a soil sample and to find out what's going on in the soil. To do that, you can use something like this, a soil probe, which you simply stick in the ground and it gives you soil here, and you can take it and put it in the bucket. Or you can take this trowel, like most people have, and you can dig in the ground. The best place to get the soil sample is about 6 inches down. So we'll dig in here and get a small sample in this area. And when you soil sample, you go to different places in your garden and put it in the bucket. Now we've got all of our samples, and we're going to get out all of the organic matter because we don't need that in the soil sample. And then we mix all of these samples together. Mostly you need about 1 cup of soil. So we'll let this dry and mix it up again, and then we'll send it off to our local soil lab to find the analysis of what we need.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.